As you know, the polling had been going on since morning, 7 o'clock, and we are still getting figures from the districts. You'll appreciate that a lot of the districts are placed in very difficult terrain. Places like in Upper Subansiri, Karadadi, Kurumkume, all these places, it takes time even for the polling team to reach. So obviously, we are hoping for the best. Nothing untoward has been reported from the districts except for Kamle, which I'll come to later. Others, like no news is good news. Hopefully, like everything should be going on well. The figures as I've got till 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock means the figures we are getting from the districts. You'll also appreciate that the district headquarters also have to wait for the figures to come in from the ROs in the interior areas. After that, they compile that, then they send it to us. So the whole process takes a little bit of time. But the figures that we have till 4 o'clock this afternoon is that a total of 2,49,243 votes have been cast, out of which 1,15,577 are male voters and 1,23,989 are female voters, and 7,080 have been issued election duty certificates. They have opted for the option of voters on election duty, VED or EDC as you call it. So what is...
This is for Panchayat?
This is inclusive of Panchayat and the municipalities.
Okay.
You'll appreciate that the female voting is much higher than the males, which is a very positive sign for our state. Overall, the percentage wise, it is 50.92. You can round it off to 51%.
50.92.
50.90.
This is for both.
This is inclusive of both. I'm giving you the figures of the local body elections. It's inclusive of both the Panchayat and the municipalities.
It may increase also.
It will obviously increase because this, as I told you earlier, these are the figures that are coming to us. And the DUs also, they have to wait for the report from the ROs, from the returning officers who are posted in the interior areas. So, any questions on the figures that have...
सर कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स तो साइड स्टेट में आई थिंक सारा रिपोर्ट्स मिल गया होगा.
नहीं, अभी एक्चुअली काफ़ी फिगर्स हमें सही से नहीं मिल पा रहा है क्योंकि मैक्सिमम जो है सब रिसीविंग सेंटर में बिजी हो गया. पोलिंग टीम्स लोग बहुत जगह में तो पोलिंग अभी भी चल रहा है. एक दो जगह में तो हमको रोइंग का तो हम सुना है कि और 1-2 घंटा लगेगा बोल के. People like it's a positive thing. People are interested in participating in the democratic process, which is good. लेकिन अभी जो figures हम लोग को आने के लिए जो देर हो रहा है, it is because people are also engaged in the receiving centers. People after
give us the figure about that uncontested win. How many ZPMs from this party?
Okay, yeah.
And how many Gram Panchayats from this party?
We had earlier promised you also that we'd give it to you after once the polling is done. I have the figures with me here. You can collect the copies after this. 242 Zillas were contested. And polling will take place is 1,472 out of 2,259. And in these polling stations, the total electorate is 4,89,423, out of a total electorate of 7,68,005. The total polling persons engaged are 8,111, and the security people that have been involved are 5,360, and total combining all polling personnel plus the security is 13,481. So far there has been only one incident of the normal poll process being stopped. That was in 15 Yorkum in Kamle district.
15?
Yorkum. It's just off Tamen.
Polling was stopped there.
Polling was stopped because it seems, as per the report of the DEO, it seems there was an argument regarding double voting, and it could not be controlled, and one of the parties threw water into the ballot box, as a result of which obviously the ballot papers would be destroyed. So he has informed us about this incident and asked for approval for a repoll. And I've also spoken to our commissioner. He has also given the approval for the repoll, which will be held on the 24th.
सर योरकुम के अलावा और भी कहीं ऐसा कोई आधा घंटा 1 घंटा के लिए कहीं पोलिंग डिस्टर्ब हुआ सर?
ऐसा बल्कि सुना नहीं, लेकिन एक पोलिंग एजेंट था शायद 17 जो ये है ईटानगर म्यूनसिपैलिटी का, आके एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन हमें दिया था कि ही वॉज नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर इनटू द पोलिंग स्टेशन. सो आई हैड आस्क्ड हिम वेदर ही had reported this to the sector magistrate or the presiding officer or the MEO. He said he hadn't. हमें सिर्फ ये एप्लीकेशन दिया था. So we have forwarded this to the MEO for further necessary action.
सर कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का प्रॉब्लम हुआ स्टेट में ओवरऑल, कहीं में भी कोई वायलेंस रिलेटेड कोई अरेस्ट वगैरह हुआ कहीं पर?
नहीं, अभी तक तो हमें तो ऐसा कुछ खबर मिला नहीं.
ऑलमोस्ट इट वाज पीसफुल
Yes, it was.
एक्सेप्ट द योरकुम, यू आर सेइंग.
It was very peaceful comparatively.
So this is